This is a tutorial on how to simply make your own P9 form so that you can use that for your KRA returns for those who are self-employed or something like that. So log into cyberyangu.com/P9 or just go to that site. Go to the site cyberyangu.com/P9 and then populate the text boxes that you find here. Just do that faithfully and truthfully. It will help you to generate your own P9 form so that you can use that to file your taxes. So if you just fill all your salaries, all the amount, your details, all that, and finally when you're through, you click on print. If you click on print, it will generate a PDF form that has a P9 for you. So let's have that. This site can be reached. Just try to press F5 reload that page, and yes, you have it. So this is your P9 form. You can download this, you can print it, and you can use it even for your friends. You can share it with your friends so that they can all be able to generate their P9 forms to use in their tax returns for 2020 return. Thank you for watching. Hope I assisted you. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See ya.